Here we come to the elevator at Fetzer Gym, University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. This is the elevator that does not have that fan so we can hear the motor well. It's an Otis with GAL fixtures from 1981. I'll wait for it to close. All right, here goes the motor. Here we go. It's got to have a dry powered pump. It's interesting how that indicator lights up rather than the button. This is an interesting COP configuration. There's no indicator here. I'll take for one more ride and that'll be all. I love the motor on this. There's your phone, GAL fixtures, and we'll go back down to one, and there. I love the motor on this elevator, even though it's kind of quiet. But anyways, there it goes. And that's it.